Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to see calories in Strava. First, just go ahead and open the Strava app on your phone. And to get accurate calorie data, you need to make sure your weight is added to your profile. Just go ahead and tap on your profile at the top and go to Edit. From here, scroll down and you will see Weight. And just go ahead and add your weight. Let's say around 70 and click on Done. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and record or complete any activity like run or ride. And after doing that, just go ahead and go to your profile. And here scroll down and now go to the Activities tab. Just click on Activities, and now here just go and open any activities. And now your calorie that you burned should now be visible in here. And as in my case, I have not recorded a run after adding my weight, so I am not able to see that. But after recording your weight and recording a run or a workout, you should successfully see your calorie burn. And that's it. We just learned how to see calories on Strava by adding weight to your profile and checking the activity details after recording a workout. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.